it. Bulldozer. Bulldozer. Don't you get it, bone bag? Bulldozer. Bulldozer.
Someone's turned the key and opened up the other side. You better run, you better flee, you better go and hide. Ghostly creatures fill the air, the spirits passed away. Watch out now, they're coming back to liven up your day. They chase you all the time.
Hang away, fleshies. Let him through.
Where are they? Run for your lives!
Missed me, skin-eyed. Woo, he's down for the count.
Supernatural fears you never thought you'd find.
Hey, Fletchy, you're mine, because possession is 9/10 the law.
Go.
Away from me!
You hate me. You really hate me.
Diamond says, shake your body.
Oh, medic! We got a fleshy down.
Coming, doctor. I learned this trick from my mummy.
It's a poltergeist party. I know we're not in Technicolor, so how about Odorama? Hey, move it, pal. This is a no parking zone. Fisk. See what happens when you don't set your alarm? Well, at least you have a sunroof now. Before you run off, pal, you better check under there.
Underwear!
Exactly! A mega wedgie!
What a crack-up!
Uh-oh, my allergy.
I told you you were eating too much dairy.
Ghostly, Flashy's nothing. I love my job. Boys, the world is our oyster, our playground.
Our love is here to stay.